On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, the gang is back. Let's go, Otter gang, gang, gang. Holy, I'm excited. I'm checking the mic. Is the mic okay? Put a 1 in the chat if the mic is okay. I updated some firmware, and hopefully the mic is okay. I know I don't have the sexiest voice. I don't sound like Tom Crown, but I'm here. Oh yeah, let's go. We got the gang coming back here with all the emojis coming back. Lurkers. Oh man. We're back, baby. We're back. I mean, I thought it was going to take they said it was going to take about a month when I applied for monetization yesterday, and I woke up this morning and here we are. FOMC, what timing, man. God is funny. What's going on, lurkers? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for being here, everybody. What's going on? FOMC day, Bitcoin. I mean, just press sell at 3 a.m. That's all you have to do. 3 a.m. is the sell wall, okay? You can just short at 3, guys. You can just press short at 3 a.m. and you're rich, okay? Every single night coming into this silly day. Okay? It's going to be a fun day, everybody. Pack your diapers. Get prepared for the ultimate fun time, which is the FOMC Chair Power Day. I don't know how to say it. Like, nobody can beat Tom Crown at this. This is kind of Tom Crown's gig. But we will be streaming it today because, you know what? Why not? Why not, everybody? Just a little ajustement here. Okay? And we will be prepared as we always are. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons. All the memberships. We're back, baby. We're back. Hopefully we get everybody a membership today again. Remember, we're not here for... I just want you guys to be able to use the emojis. We have the cheapest membership possible in all of crypto. And everybody here should be able to get one. And if not, I will give you one. Because you guys all deserve it. And I want to give them out now because these are the people who show up early to the stream. So we're making sure you guys get them. Because you know what? You guys have been with me forever. I do appreciate you guys. And I will continue to give you guys memberships all day, every day, because you guys are the shit. And I will swear for you too. All right. And we can call out some lurkers, and hopefully everybody gets a membership. We can throw some gang signs, throw in the gang signs in here, and we'll see if you can continue to dodge all these memberships, everybody. You got to make sure that it's turned on and you can receive memberships as well. Okay? If it's not turned on, you probably won't get it. Now, thank you to everybody who has gifted one already. Thank you to John Foster Crypto. I think I can change this to John Foster Crypto, Quick Smoker. God bless you. Nick. God bless you. Dave Digital, Jay Violet. I think I can't scroll in here. Jay Violet. We'll see it. We'll see it in the chat. But thank you so much already. Jay Violet, Dave Digital, John Foster. My God, the chat's already so polluted. I love it. I love it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up the like button, subscribing if you're new. You guys are great. God bless every single one of you guys for being here, hanging out. All we ask you is to say good morning. Otherwise, like Vicky here, I'm going to call you a lurker. Vicky was the first lurker, and Isaac is a lurker. And who else wants to be a lurker? Atlas wants to be a lurker as well. KGD, never seen you, lurker. You can't hide now. You can't hide now, Zapato, Olsen, lurker. Mr. Goat Giggles, you're not a lurker. What's going on? Pedro Costa, lurker, definitely a lurker. Oh, I miss this, guys. I miss the people hiding in the background on their wanking chariots. Lurker. All you people who haven't said good morning to me in the last 4 months, man, we're going to find you and we're going to call you a lurker, Shasta. Lurker. Oh, man. Let's go, baby. Oh, man. Gang, 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 gang. God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So, Bitcoin, pump and dump. Okay. Oh, my God. I got to turn off all my alarms for today. Super. Coming down into a buy level right now. Guys, I'm not even giving my Discord the alerts because today's not the day where you say, hey, man, my alert went off. Maybe you want to go and look at this. No, don't look at these things. Today's not the day to look at these things. Okay? Today's the day, especially if you're new, to get some snacks, It's like a first date, It's a first date. And I'm telling you, you don't want to, you do what you want. I mean, you do whatever you want, but I'm just suggesting. It's a suggestion. This is never financial advice. Obviously, there's a big ass disclaimer at the beginning of the video. And YouTube does know that, but I'll make sure that you guys see it. Education and informational purposes only. Okay? Let's not let this happen again, guys. But thank you for everybody who cheered for me. I think that's important is that you see people like Dave Digital and Jay Violet, and there's tons of you out there. But the people who are in your corner and cheer for you and want you to win, that's it, right? I mean, you see their true colors, and that's it, right? That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody in this community, for being, being incredible. You guys are awesome. Jesse as well. Okay? All of you guys. So we got a bunch of lurkers in here. Welcome, lurkers. Philly Skills. This is my second account, and I won't get one, unfortunately. How? Green Otter status. Let's go, baby. Bartolchka. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Looks like a little rollover right now coming into market open. HRJ Trading. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here, Patrick Swayze. Good afternoon from London. What's going on? What'd I miss? Lewis, Aaron, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Good morning, everybody in the gang. Albert, Rad, Jack. I'm surprised you didn't win one, Albert. What's going on with your luck? Is your luck changed? Albert, if you didn't know, Albert's won 3 giveaways so far. He's just on a absolute killing spree of he's winning all the giveaways, guys. I don't know. It's rigged. Whenever we do a giveaway, it always looks like this. It's this is Albert. Albert sees we're doing a giveaway, and this is Albert right here. This is Albert right here. Oh, gotta love it, man. Crypto King's back in town. Let's go, baby. We're back, man. Let's see some Crypto King emojis in the chat. My man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for the gifted memberships. My God. It's been a while, bro. It's been a while. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you, bro. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Incredible. We're back, baby. We're back. Our pink. Can I borrow $100? Apparently, we do first dates. Well, Buck, we all know you do everything a little bit different than everyone else, which is awesome. Pat, what's going on? Good morning. F Bomb. Good morning. Mystic Flowers. Thank you, everybody, for being here. K Diggity, Andrew Rutledge. Good morning. So, if you want to get the membership, you got to enable yourself to receive memberships. It's kind of weird, but that's how it works. So, Crypto King giving away 50. My God. HRJ got his membership. Let's go, baby. Comish. I've never seen you. Lurker, Eros, Lurker, Lemonade, Lurker. Look at all these lurkers, Crypto King, man. People don't know how to say good morning. Yoda1. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Randy Hipper's in the chat. God bless you, Randy. Got a membership. Liu, Lurker. Southern Warrior, Lurker. Yes, Melissa got one. Brent Adams, Lurker, Lurker, Lurker. Dinelli Dean, good morning. Infinite Team TA. Adam and Abram. That messed with my eyes. Michael B, Lurker. Vorodan, Lurker. Lurker. Mitch Shaw, Lurker, Lurker, Lurker. Top of the morning, brother. Thank you so much. God bless you, man. Cannon, Lurker. Look at all these people now. All these people, man. Lurkers everywhere. Thank you, Young. Chris has always been here as well. I missed the funding. I missed finding the lurkers. It's like Where's Waldo for adults. Oh, too good. But Billy, we've grown over the past 4 months, so we got like a whole plethora of lurkers, man. Look at all these lurkers, man. You can't hide. Clayton, Alda, Lurker, Lurker, Lurker. Oh, man. Good morning, Rashad, Chazal. Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm Lurker AF, man. Good day to all. Let's trade. Yeah, let's get it today, guys. I'm excited. It's the most important day. I think I'll do an all-day live stream. What do you guys think? I'll do one from... I'm going to do a live stream from... So I'm going to do a live stream from 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to the end of FOMC. How about that? But you got to go and let me take a couple pee breaks, you know? I'll do it. You guys want to do it? One's in the chat if you want to do it. All day? All day? I got a Discord live, but I mean it's FOMC. So I mean, yeah, let's go, baby. We're gonna do it then. Yeah, because for me, I'll do this. I do this till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then I teach. I teach from 11 till 12. So from 12 forward, I can do it. So I'll do 12 till whatever, 3 o'clock. We'll do another 3-hour live stream. I gotta ask if the Discord's okay with that, though. I think the Discord will be all right with it. I'm going to ask the Discord. Or we can do the Discord, then the live stream. But I think we just do all of it. We can do some lessons in there and everything. We got to create a poll. I'm asking them. I'm asking the Discord. You gotta do what the family wants, man. I'm asking them right now. They can decide. You get an extra hour, right? Or I can just hang out with them. What's going on, Army Piper? Thank you so much, Halogen the Clown. Hell no, says Dylan. Let's go. Loopy Tunes, Lurker. Alec Louisiana, Lurker. Akram Khan, Lurker. Erica B. I think I've seen you before. Rich is a lurker. Matthew L. I've seen you before. Valera is Zotov. You're definitely a lurker. Canero Mina, lurker. Eugene, lurker. Loki, lurker. I mean, geez, look at all these new lurkers we got, Piper. What's going on, bro? You blew up quietly. I guess so. Smash the likes, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're ready for the FOMC. Are you guys ready to trade this today or what? I think I'm like one of the only people who like take the live trade during the live stream of the FOMC. I think I'm one of the only ones. But any Discord membership discounts soon? Maybe. We just had one. So maybe next month or something like that. We'll see. Let's go 100x all in. Guys, have you seen the price action lately? Yeah, because you're crazy. Yeah, I'm a bit crazy, yeah. I'd rather French kiss a skunk than trade this. Let's go. Now we can all put Army Piper emojis and Crypto Billy emojis in the chat. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Chris. Good morning. Say good morning, lurkers. That's the one traveling man. Good morning. Tengu, good morning. Steve Hickey, thank you guys for being here. Django's preparing for a long right now. Today is a day of absolute destruction. So how are we preparing for this, right? Because no one knows what's going to happen. What the poll should actually say. See, nobody knows. Nobody knows. What the poll should actually say is, are we going to get a 0.5? We should also ask Piper, what will they cut? 0. 0.25. 0.5. 1. Send it. We'll see what they do. Not trading until Powell coughs. Guys, we all know about the cough, okay? I'm in the 0.25 camp too, but I think they might do 0.5. I don't know. Didn't they just call for 0.5? Look, the White House advisor. Look at the FUD that's coming out today already. Just in, White House advisor Navarro urges Fed to cut rates by 50 points and then 50 at the next meeting. Oh, it has started, everybody. So, 30 votes to 2 votes. So we'll stream right through 12 to 3 today. It's going to be a long day, so we got lots of trades to have. It's going to be fun. We got building permits. Who cares, right? Who gives a rat's beep about building permits? Well, we should, right? We should, because we want them building houses, and this is actually a big cause of the problem right now is people aren't buying houses, and the supply is actually not so bueno. Ask Piper. I'm sure Piper hasn't had too much trouble selling his house, but it's still a little bit of a buyer's market right now, probably. So it's been hard for people. How's the house selling going, Piper? LBC, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. 1, 2, 3, LBC. God bless you and your family and your newborn. My closing is this Friday. It's been rough. Yeah, see? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm a realtor. It's getting better. Good. Buyer-seller ratio is worse than 2008. Yeah. I just want a good setup with Sol. So one thing we were looking at, and it's actually kind of cool. I don't know if you guys have ever looked at this on CoinGlass, but you should always check this, especially on days like this. So this is where they hunt, right? So this is CoinGlass liquidation max pain, okay? And I typically go on like the 1 week here, and it will give you levels to where the long max pain is. Isn't this interesting, Piper? Where the most amount of liquidations are, leverage liquidations, on all of your tokens. I know Piper likes this kind of stuff. So 113, that retest of that inverse head and shoulders is definitely on the table, guys. Why would they not come down and liquidate all these people, right? But I do like this. 4,400 for ETH, 220 for Sol. It's pretty interesting. So it's good to understand, where these levels are and where you're looking for price to come to. Okay? Because this is literally where it's what they want to cause, right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at these people, man. Alexandra G, baby Otter. Let's go. Alexandra G's in the chat, guys. I want to see some Alexandra G's. The mod queen. God bless you. Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. 20 memberships. Thank you so much. Look at all these people becoming members, man. We're back, baby. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go. Dutchy, Rudy. Michi Tiger, Lurker. Chris, Lurker. King Andrew, Lurker. I Lost Hope, Lurker. Whatever, however you say this, Ming Kwang Kwang, Lurker. Jod, Lurker. Cobra Guy, Lurker, man. It's me, Tommy. You're a Lurker, man. Crunk, I'm not sure if I've seen you either, man. Lurker. Tobias, I've seen you. Mr. B. Sleazy, never seen you. Lurker. Dwight, Lurker. Any of these people don't say good morning, man. JC doesn't say good morning. Brandon doesn't say good morning. My God. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. Sky high, baby. Let's go. Sky high. We're back. Nick Musgrave coming through with the memberships as well. Mark Dutch in the chat as well. Randy Hipper in the chat. Let's go. Let's see some Randy Hippers. My God, this is crazy. David Brumbelow's in the chat. Can we get some bumblebees for David Brumbelow? Let's go. We're making up for 4 months of not having any emojis. Let's go, baby. No trade here. Just bouncing at our buy level right now. Bullish divergence. Money flow coming in. Looking to push back into this order block up in here. A little bit of patience right now. We'll see how it goes coming into market open. Obviously, price is a little bit shocking. Choppy, then poppy, right? Chop and pop. Clear liquidity above us, but a major resistance level coming into last night. Otter gang was ready for this. They had a buy level here, and they had a sell wall up in here. And hopefully some of them took the trades. A nice SFP in here, and a nice bounce out of here. Levels given advanced in the Discord, so hopefully you guys took advantage of that as well. Looking to try and bounce here. We'll do some top-down analysis, guys, but today's very much an FOMC news-driven day. I can't handle all these emojis, man. Hold on, guys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Good morning, Kessler, JC. How you enable memberships? Not sure, man. I'm not sure. 4 months, dang, that flew by. Yeah, it was pretty quick. Yeah, they demonetized me, and then poof, we're back. Let's go, man. That's awesome. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate you all. No long right now. Crip just waiting right now. No nos. That's it, man. No nos. Sky high, baby. Randy Hipper, God bless you, man. Randy in the chat. Brian Lurker. Keen Lurker. Angie Lurker. Sebas, good morning. Lurker. Let's go. Membership party. Jen Ceruleus, good morning. Hugo, good morning. Good to see you. Embedidido? Embedidido? How do you say this? Mio di Dio. What's going on, man? Aw, that's cute, Randy. We should screenshot this. Randy gave Trader Geo a membership. I'm screenshotting this, guys. I'm gonna send it to Geo. I'm such a the server. Oh, that's hilarious. See, it's meant to be, guys. I've been telling you forever. Nice push up in here. Oh, man, Gio. Too good, bro. Too good, man. God bless you, Gio. Thank you for coming through as well. We got the screenshot now, Randy. Randy, you can't. What's the saying? Quit playing God? Right, Billy? Quit playing God. Oh, man. Too funny. I don't know how this stuff happens, man. This is too funny. So bull divs here trying to push up. Standard deviation 1. Very choppy, guys. Good morning, news crew. Future Whaler. Lucky Deal, B Team, awesome. Tonka, Lurker. Lurkership, yeah, Dougie, Lurker. Huddle Hank, I like it, man. Lurker, man. Wick's wife, fine 89. Let's go. Let's see some wifey emojis in here. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you as well. Good morning from Denmark. Oh my God, Army Piper. You guys are going nuts with this. I can't keep up with this chat right now. This is insane. 4 months of Crypto Michael. Good morning. Good to see you. Army Piper, man. My guy, man. Welcome. 20 gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. You know I'm going to be broke today. I got to go to Crypto Billy's channel. Now I got to go to Randy's channel. Now I got to go and give you guys all memberships too. I'll be coming for you guys. Gio and I are not compatible. Oh, if it's not odd, it's God, man. If it's odd, it's probably God, okay? You gotta laugh, man. AI, Lurker. Tim, Lurker. Nishant, Lurker. Matt Eagle, Lurker. Josh, Lurker. Junaid, Lurker. Nicole, Lurker. Gang, gang, gang. Awesome footprint. Looking forward to seeing you. Farmer, what's going on? Hookset. I want to know the Vegas story. Alex, Lurker. Shitrowski, what's going on? Doggy Dog as well. Maya, good morning. Let's DIY. Lurker. Tales of Mystery, Lurker. Randy, good morning. Good to see you. Keen Bean, good morning. Lots of lurkers, man. We got a lot of stones to turn over today. A lot of stones. Oh, it's good to have the emojis back, guys. Very grateful. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. I do appreciate you guys for being here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Dano. Good to see you. We got to do a Randy, Alexo, Dano stream. I haven't done a collaboration in ages. Sometime I went on Sin City Crypto this week, but they asked me to come and help because I think Rob's very busy right now, and they're good friends of the channel. But I haven't done I don't even know how to do my Streamlabs setup for having people on my channel, let alone going on other people's channels. It's always a gong show for me. I mean, I'm a carpenter. I'm not a tech whiz, you know. I would say that I would be a very poor guest. Is that a bad excuse? I'll always show up. If Army Piper asked me to come on, I'd be on there. But he's family. We're all family, I guess, in a bit. But, you know, nice push here. Let's go. Bull div push continuation. Looking strong here. I'm a bit overwhelmed by all these gifts. I don't like getting gifts. I just like trading, guys. So thank you everybody for being here. We got a whole plethora of people in here today. 490 people. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Nice push here. We'll see if we do want to continue upwards. Bitcoin, 3 a.m. Just sell 3 a.m. So what we're looking at here very simply is we're coming into FOMC. So we know that's going to be extremely volatile. Okay, so, and we do like to trade it. Sorry to say. Short at 3 a.m., short at 3 a.m., short at 3 a.m. The tune hasn't changed. So what happened after that short at 3 a.m.? We have a very aggressive open into a pump. A very aggressive open into a pump. A very aggressive open into a pump. Okay, so understanding that, we can maybe take advantage of it, but at the end of the day, our job is to participate safely, okay? So right now, can we get a little bit of a rollover? Maybe down into here, golden pocket, order block. We got that down here. Retest the previous highs. Okay, so this is the key area that I'm looking at, 15.8. If we go in through here, we pull some volume. What we can simply see is very obvious that we have a shelf of volume in here. If we go from low to high within here, we can see that we do have a golden pocket in here as well at the bottom. And then we have an order block at the top of this area. So we got multiple confluences in here that I would look for my first reaction if we do dip down and possible Valhalla. Now, maximum pain is 113, which is all the way down here, guys. Today is the day. If they want to absolutely rug everybody, that's where they're sending it, okay? We are a bit overextended. When we zoom out, we can understand a couple of things, which is very important, right? It's a privilege to zoom into a 3-hour time or 3-minute time frame. So we must understand the big context right now. So we have clearly come up to our shelf of volume, which the Discord was well aware of last night, to where we could get rejected from. Okay, we did a little update yesterday for everybody, and that was where we were looking to see that rejection, and it tapped it perfectly. Okay, so we got that rejection. Price has been so choppy. It's not easy right now. It's not. Oh, we gave you guys that level. I don't expect you guys to be trading that level. I just want you to understand that the technical analysis does work. Okay, so when we're looking at this, can we come back down into here? Absolutely. Hold the higher low, possibly, or an SFP of this low. However, if we start to break down, this is a swing short. Okay, if we break down and we start closing below in here, this is a swing short. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm just saying this is what you need to prepare for. Okay? If we start closing below this low here, this is a swing short. And you're looking to come for the lows. Probably 105. Okay? Just, I ain't the bearer of bad news. I'm just being realistic with you guys, right? Because if we look, after rate cuts, the first month after rate cuts is typically down. The following 6 months after that is typically up. Okay, so be aware of that. If you don't want to, just put on your hopium slippers and think we're going to Valhalla today. Okay, that's not constructive thinking. Statistics say that we dump first and then we go. Okay, so we could have something like this, where we have pushed up. Right, this is the same time of the year, right? So we have pushed up. So we could have something very easily like this. Okay, maybe it's a little bit tighter due to time, okay, because we want to see this into December, right? But it could look something like this. So be prepared for that. I don't want you guys to get, the rug pulled out from under you, because Steve Ruggles, the competition is still on. And we haven't started the voting yet, but we're going to start the voting soon. If you come over to our Discord, we are having a Steve Ruggles competition right now. And you don't want to be this guy, You don't want to get rugged by Steve right now, okay? You want to, you don't want to be this guy. Because look at what just happened. It just pump and dumped right now. On everybody's head, everybody just got bullish for 3 seconds, and now they're all bearish, right? Looking at price action? Yeah, you guys are all bearish now. You were bullish right here a minute ago, now you're bearish. Don't lie to me. Put a 1 in the chat if you were bullish about 30 seconds ago. I'll put a 1. I'll just join in because that's what they want, right? Right? That's what they want. Today, we try to be as contrarian as possible, okay? Ryan Smith, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for the memberships, man. On average, markets are as high as... Okay. Crazy Crush, Lurker, Hater, Lurker. Blendu, Lurker. Romeat, I think I've seen you before. Sufficient Enough, Lurker. Andrew, good morning. Good to see you. Villain, Lurker. Space Cat, Lurker. Mike S., good morning. Cody, Lurker. Mulio, Lurker. Look at all these lurkers, guys. I'm sorry, man. You guys haven't been saying good morning all this time. Lurker, 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 Lurker. Jim, Ape, Cooks, Archie, Sean Werner. I just lost a sub, man. I'm gonna get demonetized the first day back, Billy. Lurker. So many, man. Oh, man. Smash the likes, everybody, please. We're rolling over right now. Bitcoin coming down. So we understand that. So we can simply come down quite easily, right? Inverse head and shoulder. So this is obviously, as we want to remain above 113 to stay bullish. So we're stuck in the middle with you. This is our giant range, right? This is our hot dog. We want to see buy low, sell high, right? Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. We want to be like the mustard, okay? So right now we're at the top of the range, hitting our head on this volume in here, and we have that support level down in here. However, very overextended to the upside here. Market cipher on the daily here has printed a green dot and changed money flow. Got to turn off all these alarms today, guys. I'm sorry about the alarms. Link coming into a buy level. Don't touch it. Yeah, it's dumping. Link's dying. Turning off the alarm. This is going to be a constant thing today. Link is dying. Bitcoin's dying as well. Okay, so coming into today, lots of liquidity below us to come and capture. We obviously moved up pretty quickly yesterday, so this would be obviously our target in here as we roll over right now. Oh, great, this chart's not working either. Oh, what a day already. Good thing we're going to stream for 3 hours later today. Okay, getting back to it. Sorry, guys. SFP of the low right now. Ooh, that's tempting. Nice swing failure pattern. Can it reclaim? Retest continuation down. That looks pretty bearish. Money flow's coming out. Nice sweep. Pushing back right now. See if it can get acceptance back into the range. No trade here, guys. Just waiting. We did get the building permits here that came out. Is that my son knocking on the door? Aww. Potential trade set up right now, but I'm going to say good morning to my boy. I don't know what you guys are saying, but here's your reclaim of the range up to VWAP trade. Good morning. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Can I have a hug? Aw, thank you. Aw, I love you. How did you sleep? Are you feeling any better? Are you still warm? Oh no. You had a hard night then. Yeah. 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 You want to say bye to the stream? I'm not going to bring you on the stream, but I can bring the microphone over. Do you want to say hi? Here you go. Say hi. Say bye. Say bye. Say hello. Can you say bye? Can you go ah? How about you say yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, buddy. Oh, you got drool and a booger on my microphone. Great job. Yeah. Say yeah. Say yes. Say yes. You want the microphone? Mwah. Monetization's back.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's great. That's good, baby.
Yeah.
Bah.
All right. Family first. Always family first. Blow me a kiss. Mwah. Yeah. I don't know how to fix this. Uh-oh, I've messed up my arm. I don't know how I don't know how to send it back, guys. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're back. Yeah. All right. Sorry. Family first. Always. Did you guys hear him? All right. I go, say yes, and he goes, yeah. It's awesome. Love it. I love it. My 1-year-old's first words were touchdown. Let's go. I'm gonna send you a video yesterday. From yesterday, Billy. My boy was slam dunk. We got him like this mini basketball net. He's like dunking it so good yesterday. So good, man. Little LeBron. Nah, he's more like an Iverson, you know. I had to clean off the microphone cover here. Got some boogies on it. He's got a little bit of a fever, so we're watching him pretty close right now. Yeah, I'll send it to you, bro. It's so good. Kids are lurkers. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Quick Smoker, my man. God bless you. God bless Australia. Thank you for being here. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Quick Smoker with the gifted memberships. In My Hero, Tiberius, Wesley, Billy, Sim, the Chef, Lurkers. Montilla, what's going on, Jose? Good to see you as well. Simple Man Lurker, Traveling Studios, what's going on? Soft Shell Lurker, Mike McCarthy Lurker, JB Lurker, Heath, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Stalling out here after the SFP, guys. No trade. Retested lows, rejection. So no trade right now. Still waiting. Had a pretty good day yesterday after the live stream. Made 1,500 on the day. It was just getting back on the horse. Obviously, I definitely got scam wicked yesterday on the long. Then I re-entered, and then it played out eventually. But Bitunix was good enough, and they're reimbursing me the slippage because there was a lot of slippage. I mean, I don't normally complain about like $100 slippage, whatever, but it was like $500, $600 slippage. So Bitunix was good enough to reimburse me that, which is kind of them. They don't necessarily have to do that, but I mean, we use their trading software and we scalp live, and I expect good quality, right? Even today is going to be a very aggressive day, but hopefully it's nice to see that an exchange actually tries to take care of you. So that's a good sign nonetheless, so I'm not going to complain too much. Captain Kirk, what's going on? Good to see you. She's not a lurker. Kirk's been coming around forever. Joel Vasquez, Sam Stockdale, Oku, Sindala, Lurker, Wave Logic, Lurker, Mason B. I think I've seen you before. Good morning. Sammy's Clips, Lurker. Hodler Crypto Life, Lurker. You're welcome, everyone. Good job, Quick. Thank you so much, Quick Smoker. So kind of you, man. The coolest toaster, guys, if you don't know. French toaster. His emoji. Roller skates, everybody. Roller skates. The bravest toaster in all of crypto. If you know, you know. It's one of those. Thank you so much, French Toaster. God bless you, bro. Thanks for being part of the gang, part of the Discord. Appreciate having you around, man. Good vibes always. Let's open 200x position today, says Saphir. All right. Only putting $1 down though. Okay. No trade yet, guys. This is clearly continuation of a downtrend unless we reclaim the range and start pushing up. It's trying to reclaim, but no trade for me right now. Coming into 9 o'clock, still waiting here. Choppy waters. We got bull divs printing here. No real structure to go off of like a higher high. Obviously, we're looking for this thing to be broken right here. And then continuing onwards, but a little bit of patience here. What's this chop in? How much? Yeah, 0.3. Jeez. That's an aggressive. So today is going to be the day. We're going to get a cut, I think. I think we get 0.25, but some people are saying we're getting 0.5. What do you guys think? We just got building permits coming under forecasted. Not too good. Housing starts coming under forecasted. Okay, so this is no good. Tumbled. It tumbled. They use the word tumbled. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. And let's see our CME Fed watch tool here. Sorry about the flashbang. 94% coming into the rate cuts, guys. 94%. Anybody know what Polymarket says? Polymarket? I don't know if they're too accurate with that, but my wife just brought me a coffee. I have the best wife in planet Earth. The thing is, she brings you a coffee, but is it a good coffee? My wife makes a good coffee. Clown shoes or skates? Let's go. Alexandra G knows. Alexandra G knows. How is roller skates toasters emoji? I missed that story. So whenever we do, we have always done a poll about climbing a mountain. If you're new here, and the poll goes a little like this: if you had to climb a mountain and you have to wear one of these, what would you wear? And there's always an option of stilts, clown shoes, roller skates, and I don't know what else we do. Another one. But it's obviously the answer is always roller skates. Because you can just get down a lot faster. Oh, man. So that's where the roller skates come from. French Toaster knows. What's going on, Average Joe Crypto? I've yet to check out your channel yet, man. I'm sorry. I've been very busy, but I'll definitely look. My toaster was delivered by a bowling ball on roller skates. Let's go. Yes, and stilts. That's kind of where it started. What's going on? Wave Cypher, have a great day, bro. Have a great day. Andrew G chopping right now. Bruins on roller skates makes sense. Yeah. I don't think they will cut rates. Either way, the market is going down. Be realistic. No one has money. Yeah. I think retail, I think middle class, lower class has no money because it's all risen to the top. The big money is still being concentrated up top. So there is money. It's just all concentrated, especially after COVID, right? So we'll see how this goes. Either way, we're prepared. I have a couple of things that I'm looking to acquire if we do get a nice dump. I'll be looking at Aerodrome, maybe a bit of virtuals. We'll see. So coming into 9 a.m. here, guys. So the 3 a.m. rejection is real lately. So, maybe I said yesterday, maybe we just set our alarm at 3 a.m. and press sell. But right now we're looking to come back and get range bound after coming into our major rejection zone. Okay, so that's going to be critical here. When looking at this, we moved up very aggressively yesterday, which this is where you get your Bart Simpson patterns from. We have our most confluence in this area right down in here. We have a golden pocket down below and an order block up top here right around 115.8 and the golden pocket's around 115.6. Liquidity is always an option. Maximum pain, everybody, is for liquidations is 113. Okay, and this would be the retest of that whole head and shoulders pattern. We'll see what we get today. Just expect a candle like this today, guys. That's all I gotta say. Okay, just expect that. And we'll be streaming it. We'll be trading it. Hopefully, taking advantage of price action as it comes. The kind of tells that we got going on right now on Market Cypher are pretty cool. So the daily has held, which is important. Wow, my shift button isn't working again on this stupid or object tree. Let me see. There we go. It's got to be something I'm pressing. Nope, it's just not working. All right, close it and start again. So with Market Cypher, what's really apparent, there we go. What's really cool is we got this daily money flow crossover, which is actually really nice. Okay, this is cool. Money flow crossover, VWAP holding the 0 line. So it's the start of something good. However, we're very overextended today. Looking at the candle of yesterday into today. Rolling over, right? So mixed messages here, especially up at the top. And you can see just looking at this, we've had that clear push up and then that consolidation and then that try to continue and getting rejected at key resistance. So range bound is kind of where I'm leaning, but really this is target numero uno. If we're looking to come into an area, this is where I'm looking. Okay, but the 12-hour here has what we would like to call bearish divergence. Okay, this is where it gets scary, right? Because we're overextended. VWAP crossover to the downside here on the 12-hour, and it looks aggressively bearish, right? We just had a bear candle up at a key level of resistance, which was the lower part of this range. Okay, so and bear divs typically go back to where they started. Where did this pump started? Well, this momentum wave started right here to start this wave. So right here, which will be max pain, right? Max pain is right here. So be aware of that. 8-hour money flow looks great, but we have a change in stochastic posturing here and the bear div. Okay, so warning signs, a couple of warning signs that we should not ignore. Okay, the 4-hour, same thing, bearish divergence. Very high money flow rolling over, looking to reset. This looks like it needs at least a couple hours to reset in order to come back bullishly. Rolling over right now on Bitcoin. Retest of lows and continuation down. No trade. The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. So the 4, the 3, bear div, hidden bearish divergence, right? And then we have everything's getting a bit overextended. But you can see the hourly is starting to push back, okay? So there's always some hopium, and the hopium is the hourly pushing back later on today into the 2-hour kind of deal. So you'd see this, and then you would see this, right? So everything's pointing down right now. Bear div's even in here, okay? Typically coming back to where it started. So we're looking to be range bound in here today with extreme wick volatility. These guys aren't safe. These guys aren't safe. And this guy is not safe, okay? Mostly 113. It's not safe. And that really is not a big move. Bitcoin farts 2%, guys. Okay, be prepared for that. Either way, we're prepared. We have our key levels. We have where we're looking for trades. We want to be strict with confirmation, extremely diligent on our risk management. Guys, the only reason why I survived yesterday is because I took 2 break-even trades in the morning. If I did not take 2 break-even trades in the morning, I would have been down $1,700 for the day. But I took 2 break-even trades, and then I had the slippage of $800, reimbursed at $450, and then I went on to kick ass for the rest of the day. Okay? So risk management will save you. If you don't see it, if you don't know how to manage the risk in that situation, you don't take the trade. Very simply. This is never financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet, an actual hobbit who lives in the mountains, who presses buy and sell every single day in front of you live, showing you guys everything, trying to be as transparent and honest as possible, which I am. I take pride in that, and I take pride in protecting the new trader. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Keeping this community safe and kind and not full of douche canoes. I do appreciate you guys for being here and hanging out, smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. Almost 600 people here. We'll be doing a live stream from 12 to 3 o'clock today. And very excited, man. Very excited. Should be a good day. Hopefully we find some trades, take some trades. We typically do. To allow receiving gifted memberships, click join below the video. Go to membership gifting and allow gifts on. There you go. I'll pin it so people stop asking. What's going on, DDT? Good to see you, man. How you doing? DDT, are you ready for the 3 move special today? The 1, 2, 3? The false move, the real move, the false move, and the continuation of the real move. Are you ready, bro? I think it's going to happen. We'll see, man. We'll see. Hopefully you're doing well over there in England. Thank you, Real John Doe. God bless you too, man. Grandson number 4. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Brumbelows. I love the Brumbelows, man. Great people, man. Got to hug them in Vegas. Today will be Major League Effery. Yeah, absolutely. If you guys had to buy 1 coin for this altcoin run, what would it be? Put it in the chat. I'm about to dump all of my house profits into the market. Don't worry, I got this. Eee. Careful. You're the DCA master, so you should know better. You know better. Puerto Rico in the house. Let's go. Yeah, he's doing well, but he was late. Exactly. Scam, ham. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My nerdy senses tingle when someone makes a Lord of the Rings reference. Let's go. Aerodrome, Sui, Soul, Grass, Avax, Sneck, Bera, Ada, Pith, Jasmine, Salonzo, Render. I like Render. I like Solana. I love Sui. Sui! Or is it Sui? Polygon, really? Matic. I used to hold Matic. I sold Matic, though. Unbearable. Cockinu. That's a good one. The chicken coin. Link. Let's go, Billy. I hold a big old bag of Link. Habar. I like Habar as well. I don't have any Habar. I should have bought some, though. Brewberry says, Ada, you do not have a man crush on Charles, Brew. You do not. Brewberry, come on. Brewberry is one of our traders in our Discord. We love Brewberry. He's been with me from day one. And he doesn't have an emoji because his emoji is the kimono karate. Tron. He's the hero. I love you, Brew. Brewberry in the chat, man. God bless you, man. I love you. Are you excited for today, Brew, or are you just not going to trade? I feel like you're one of the people who's actually like, I ain't touching this, man. I ain't touching this. What's going on, Jimmy? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got monetization back. Pretty awesome. Ada, Zorro. Luna Classic. Let's go. Nice push. I'm here for it too, bro. I'm here for it too, man. I like Injective as well. We got 20 minutes till market opens, everybody. Have you guys heard of TRB? Brewberry stream is where it's at. That's it. Guys, if you're not following Brewberry, man, this guy's our Discord trader, man. This guy has been with me from day one, man. He came and visited me in Vegas. He gave me a big hug. I love this, man. This is the best channel in all of crypto that nobody knows about. But 1,000 people know about it, Brew. We got you to 1K. That is awesome. I mean, you got yourself to 1K because you put in the work, bro. And thank you for being a friend. Day one, man. Incredible trader. Incredible trader. I love you, man. So good. One day we'll get him to not use white charts, but, you know, whatever. We'll forgive you for the white charts. Your TA is absolute fire. Been crushing it forever. God bless you, bro. Blinding charts, yes. Flashbang charts, baby. Hey, would you look at blinding charts if they made you money? I would. I would. So rolling over here, this does not look healthy at all. This looks like we're definitely coming minimum here. At minimum. We'll sweep up here, rolling over. No touchy here. This looks like it's fallen off a cliff, really. Yeah. Even your VWAP posturing to the downside here, that's nasty, so The short would be the play here. You'd be looking for something like this. But I'm not taking it. We'll wait till market opens here. We got 20 minutes still. Because the problem with shorting here, it's pretty overextended to the downside, especially after something like this. You came back and swept that, and then you continued, right? So the thing is here, you've done your job. You've swept the liquidity in this low here. So there's always a risk of this thing bouncing back up. So it's a risky area to be shorting. The short was at 3 a.m. like it was for the last 3 days, which is super annoying. But, you know, I think like if you're in our Discord and you're on Aussie time, I mean, the levels I gave you guys last night before I hit the hay. I mean, we were coming into here last night. I gave you guys the update before the storm. And then you had your sell wall in here, so you knew to be looking for shorts in here. And what happened? Price moved up into here. Got 3 drives, bearish divergence, rejected down, came into our buy level, bounced out of here, came back into our sell wall again, rejected back down, and that's where we're at today. But you were given all of this right here, right? So I just got to take my TA and start trading at night, traders at night, because you were given that TA right here, right? You got an SFP into that red box. You had the bounce level right here, and you came back into that box, and then you got rejected again. All very nice moves, 1% moves, basically. And now we wait again. We will be streaming the FOMC today from 12 to 3 o'clock, so don't forget to come and hang out, subscribe, turn on your bell notification. Last FOMC, I think we took 2 trades. I know we took 3 the one before that and like absolutely crushed it. It was I think was it two FOMCs ago where we made $1,500 in 3 seconds? Was it that one? that was fun. It was 8 seconds. We did $700 in 3 seconds last week. That was cool too. That was cool. Sunglasses reduce vitamin D intake. Okay. Yeah, bruise charts are awesome. Tom Crown's the best welder in the crypto space. Yeah, he is. Milan, good morning. HRJ in the chat, what's going on? Our other amazing trader in our community, HRJ. Make sure you subscribe to this guy too. 820 guys. Let's do a 1 month giveaway. 1 month giveaway right now. Subscribe to HRJ. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. All right, let's do it. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. I think. Yeah. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. Let's go over here, comment Otter Gang on HRJ. Let's give it away, man. 1 month membership, HRJ. Subscribe to HRJ, one of our traders. Incredible trader in our Discord. This guy absolutely crushes it. Go over to his signals. Oh, don't want to give you guys all the signals. I mean, printing, baby. Printing, baby. Printing, baby. That WLD call, oh my God. Oh my God. Get over to this video, subscribe to this man. 820 subscribers. We're going to do a giveaway to the Discord right now before our market opens because I'm not trading this right now. So we might as well give you guys something to do. This is no touchy right now. Okay. Let's get him to 1,000. Let's show the gang. Let's show Giver's Gain. Let's do it for HRJ, guys. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat you all. Otter gang. Otter gang. Otter gang. Otter gang. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's get him to it. Let's get these subs up. Pumping those rookie numbers you guys want. You guys want the giveaway. At least 900. Go over to that video. I don't even know what to call your style of trading. You call it Neo Wave? Neo Wave? What do you call it, HRJ? Neo Wave? I don't know. You should just call it money printing, bro. Neo Wave? What is it called, man? You should just call it Neo Matrix or something like that, man. I don't know how he does it, but it's magic. It's magic. Go over there, subscribe. We'll do comment picker. Comment picker wasn't being good to me the last time we were doing it. And don't forget, Albert Rajag Guk knows how to do this. Like, if you are part of our community, you will get some USDT as well. Incredible. Neo Wave. Okay. Incredible trader, though. $890. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin looking to push right here. Mini bull div here on the 3-minute. I'd like to see it reclaim this support level here coming into market open. That's so nasty. Look at that on the NASDAQ, guys. Holy smokes. Sweeping the liquidity out of here real quick. $892. 8 more subscribers, and then we'll do the giveaway. Bitcoin trying to push here. I like this little SFP in here. Good volume. The trend is not our friend right now, guys. $12 minutes till market open. $896. 4 more subscribers, guys. Otter gang, gang, gang. Go over there, subscribe. Giveaway to the Discord. Can we get 4 more subscribers here? Trying to push here, trying to go. typically I would buy this candle right here. However, we're coming into resistance right here. So there's no reason for me to buy this because of what's in front of me, right? I always talk about this when trading, right? So like if you get the setup in a key area, which we're in an SFP zone, right? But you have resistance right in front of your face. Why are you gonna put on risk? Stop loss has to go below that low, right? So why are you gonna put on risk when your first initial barrier is right there, right? Does that look like a good trade setup to you guys? No, right? No. We want to be at least a 1-to-1, but preferably a 3-to-1, right? But you got to be careful what's in front of you. Now, if we reclaim this and we start to push, then okay, right? No bull div in here, trying to push out, get going, right? So it's very important we understand where kind of resistance is in front of us, right? Now, obviously, this is playing out nicely, but for me, it's like, at what point does this drop your probabilities of being successful on your trade, right? Very important. $902. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing to HRJ, supporting his channel. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Let's see if Albert Rajag Guk is here. Ooh-wee. Let's go. Mr. Kyle Mano. Subbed Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Kyle Mano, congratulations, bro. Come over to the Discord. Show me your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful face over here in Otter Talk. Just send me a picture of your beautiful, beautiful profile picture here, and I'll get you set up, bro. Gang, gang, gang. Look at this push, guys. See? The idea played, but we didn't take it. Anybody get long there? Anybody get long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. You guys are crazy. 7 minutes till market opens. Let's see what we get here. Crypto King took it. He's like, forget about your barriers, bro. He's like, I'm taking the damn trade. You guys are killing it. Let's go. Otter gang. See, a lot of people come here and they just listen to me talk, and then they take trades and I don't make money and they make trades. And that's okay. Good job. One thing is for sure, I love seeing you guys win, man. I love it. I know this game's not easy, man, so if I can help you in any way, or if I've helped you in any way, you know, it means a lot to me. God bless you, Crypto King. I appreciate you, bro. Well, it's the volume there, right? It's the volume in this candle that allows me to justify that, hey man, bulls are fighting back here, right? It's just because you've seen it. I've seen it so many times as a scalper. You can see when the volume steps in, it's done a job, right? This is doing a job. Everybody who's long here with their little scalp long just got wrecked, and now it's trying to push up. It's those little things that I think separate good traders from bad traders, because you need to understand where buyers and sellers are in control. Who's in control here? Buyers, right? Why? Because your next open and close candles. So if you understand candles, right? So this is your open to this candle, right? This is your open to this candle. So this is your close to open here. Do you at all, so you push down, do you at all put a wick on this candle here? No. You have a sweep, you have a close to open here, and you have a continuation, and a continuation, right? Your second candle is where you buy because that engulfs this candle. So it shows you buyers are in control, and it shows that we're heading upwards, okay? And as a scalper, you can take this trade as long as you have targets and key risk to reward, right? Obviously, your first take profit's going to be here as a scalper. Stop loss to entry. Off you go. Now you got a runner. Now you're in the money. You're up $100 already, right? You're up $100 looking for this thing to come up to VWAP, right? It's that easy. But it starts with the recognition of buyers and sellers in control in here. Understand that we're in a key level, an SFP of what? This low in here, right? We're on the 3-minute, but we can definitely see the 12, the 24, the 1 hour candle patterns in here that we're looking for this for a little mini bull div in here, right? But we also know that the safe trade is to mitigate the high, which we've put in right now. So we would look to, the safe trade right now is to break this high now. So come back into here, break the high, and then look for 1, 2, 3 and go. If you don't know what 1, 2, 3 and go is, join the Discord. Okay. If this, then that. So quick scalps, flipping this to support. Patience today, right? Coming into market open, we got 3 minutes till market open, so we be patient. We remain patient. Today is a game of cat and mouse, right? We got to be patient. We also we're allowed to be aggressive today as long as we're using good, strong risk management. Okay, that's it. It's going to be volatile. You can see a big shakeout here on NASDAQ. Continue to push here. So NASDAQ looking like it's done a job, right? What's the job? The job is Tesla's buying all the way up here. We corrected yesterday. We consolidated. We have liquidity in the lows here. We've swept that liquidity. Now we're continuing upwards. Job's been done, right? We hit this low right here, right? We don't have to be rocket scientists to understand why they came here. Now we see what they do for the rest of the day. Bitcoin dominance rising, which is a good sign. We want to see dominance rise as well. Coming into the next month or so, we want to see Bitcoin take the lead. I think that's going to be the key, is letting Bitcoin put in a new high. And yeah. So what we discussed yesterday, Bitcoin putting in a new high, obviously is going to allow Bitcoin to top, rotation into altcoins. What we also talked about yesterday is the S&P. So the S&P is climbing this wall of worry, and we've left 2 gaps. Okay, there's 2 gaps in here. You see how on our way up here we have taken every gap along the way. Okay, and we were talking about this in the Discord yesterday. We've taken this gap, we took this gap. Okay, we took this gap, and we took this gap. Every single time we've climbed up here. So what would our idea be here? Always got to think common sense, right? So we want to see this gap taken today and this gap taken today, which tells us there might be a little bit of a dump today. And what perfect day to send the market, especially the S&P, down 1%. Probably rate cuts, okay? So being a prepared trader, preparing for the dump is the best way because the pump is easy to jump on, okay? The pump, jumping on an up-only trend is probably the easiest thing to do. As long as you know the rules, which we have in our Discord, the rules, the magical way to enter, the pattern recognition, up only is easy. It's that sweep that catches you off guard and that absolutely destroys your trading. Okay? So we prepare for the sweep, we prepare for the dump. We hopefully take advantage of the dump if it wasn't at 3 a.m. every night. Perfect bear divs too, guys. Oh my God. by preparing for the dump, you prepare for good and bad, right? You lower those expectations, makes you much more level as a trader, right? Because the hardest thing, I think, for everybody who trades Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is keeping your HODL bags separate from your trading bags. These you got to keep it separated, okay? So we all want it to go up, guys. We got 570 people in here, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Hopefully you're all doing well. We got market open here. Let's go. Ding, 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 baby. Let's go. Coming in here, pushing up. Okay. Opening quite positively right now. NASDAQ sweep of the highs, just like the other day. NASDAQ pushed and Bitcoin dumped yesterday. All right. Continuation here on... Oof. NASDAQ ripping. So is the SPY. But they both pushed and then dumped yesterday, so I'm cautious here. Chopping about on Biddy. Solana in this nice bull flag here, this nice triangle. ETH, no tell right now. ETH is looking strong, but no trade here. Bitcoin chopping sideways here. Yeah, there's that sweep on NASDAQ. SPY getting rejected as well. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 600 people, man. It's incredible. Can't believe there's 600 people hanging out here. You guys are cool. Thank you. We're going to go live today from 12 till 3 for the FOMC in the place to be. So make sure you guys come through for that, too, later on today. It's going to be a long day. Hopefully we can find some good trades today. Holding standard deviation 2 right now. Trying to push out. You could get a very flat morning, guys. Sorry to say that, but, going into FOMC news, it's kind of the calm before the storm, right? Good morning, JR. What's going on, bro? How you been? Dong, dong, dong. Milan. A little chop right now. China bans companies from buying NVIDIA chips. Oh. Okay. Dusty's going at it already. Lurker. Rolling over here, Bitcoin. NASDAQ looking weak as well. Choppy waters for the Nas. SPY failing to push. We did have a dump yesterday. Obviously, with Bitcoin, the liquidity resides below us, right? The targets remain below us. But even with this is still like very interesting for us to come and grab before we go down. So we could have a little move up and then FOMC and then hopefully continuation up. We'll see. We'll see, man. 12-hour or 12-minute bullish divergence looks nice. Big exhaustion in the wicks here on our 24-minute. Okay, so this says that sellers are taking control here. Okay, this says we're pushing down. Even though we try to get some relief, it keeps getting rejected here. So interesting little battle for 116 here. We'll see how it behaves. No trades so far. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Looking for a continuation down probably right here. It's very much in a no trade zone. Want to see kind of it choose some direction here. Nice SFP on the Nas. SPY's trying to push up. Nasdaq's trying to push up. A little bit of bullish sentiment on the Nasdaq here after an SFP. See if it can push up. SPY looking okay as well. Maybe we get an SFP here on Biddy. I like the lower part of this box more, everybody, just so you understand. There's a golden pocket down here, and there's an order block at the top. Okay, so it's kind of a double whammy down here. But we have the golden pocket right in here. Okay. Good rollover here. Nasdaq going down too. Standard deviation 1 acting as resistance, pushing down here. Nice dump. There's good volume. SFP back into the range. No. Continuation down here. First order block tapped. No trade here. Still waiting. Lower. I think lower. No trade. Unless we can come back within the range here. Nice volume on that dump here, guys. As we said, sellers in control right now. First tap of order block. Still waiting. No trade here. Little tappy tappy. Happy Gilmore reference. Order block tapped. First initiation of the green box. Not necessarily something we just trade willy-nilly. Nasdaq dumping, trying to bounce. Bitcoin trying to bounce as well. Retest of the lows right now. Retest of the lows. Continuation down, possibly. I don't know if it's worth it taking the short into golden pocket here. No trade here. Trying to reclaim the range. Still waiting, everybody. I don't like it right now. This looks like it wants to continue downwards. Typically, I would buy that. But I'm not that interested in this morning. SFP of the lows here on NASDAQ. Looks like it can still come down. Bitcoin trying to push back. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long? Put a 1 in the chat. Are you short? Put a 2 in the chat. For me, I'm in no trades right now. I'm just chilling. I typically would have longed that, but just chilling right now. Thank you for being here. I show all my trades every single day. I talk you through what I'm looking at, how I trade, what I'm looking for every single day. This is never financial advice. I'm just here showing you guys everything, trying to be as transparent as possible, trying to help you guys grow as traders. Honesty is a rarity in this space, so I try to make sure that you guys always have that here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Don't be a douche canoe. Just say good morning, man. You don't have to like the stream. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to do jack diddly squat. Just say good morning. Don't be weird, man. That's all I ask. And thank you for hanging out. Trading can be lonely. It's not easy. So it's nice to hang out with you guys and take some trades. But right now, this is dog crap. No touchy. So we have nice money flow coming up in here. Nice momentum. Trigger waves. Trying to push. The bull div on the 12-minute looks juicy, but I don't know. I don't think that's sufficient enough tap of that order block. Typical like rules-based order block strategy is this, and then you're looking for like a 3-to-1 this way. This, that's typically how you teach it, but Good SFP this morning. The NASDAQ continues to roll over. That's concerning, guys. That's concerning. The SPY looks very weak. Solana looks pretty weak as well. Holding higher lows, though, on Solana. That's a good sign, actually. ETH, SFP of the low here. ETH has been very telling lately, the way the structure is. Yeah, this looks like down, guys. This looks like down. Sorry to say. Yeah, look at the NASDAQ right now, rolling over hard. Okay. Still no trade. Let's go. Dave Digital. Darren does things. Trade Intuition. Good morning. Jimbo. Gang, gang, gang. It's nice to have the emojis back, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Here we go. Down we go again. 333 hands. We got hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good patience here, not longing this thing. NASDAQ coming down, tapping key support. Bitcoin coming down as well. Solana coming down, ETH coming down. Soy boy Lana. I want to see this, guys. That's what I want to see. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. 9:42. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 630 people here, guys. Thank you for being here. A little chop right now. NASDAQ losing. Look at all this gappage for it to take. Gappage. It's a new technical term. Oh, man. All right. Dave, do you like the gappage, bro? Guarantee you, Dave is a gappage fan. Trade Intuition, yeah. Jay Violet gave you a membership. That's awesome. Jeanette, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. We got our emojis back, Jeanette. Thoughts about bear divs? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4. That brings us down to here. We talked about it this morning. That brings us here. If it plays. Big stop here. We got a point of control. So we got point of control in here. We got volume node in here. We got an order block in here. And we have a golden pocket right here. So this is where we're looking for the reaction. If price gives us the reaction we want to see, we can take the long. Otherwise, we're following the trend. And what is the trend right now? Well, we've broken the low here. So we're coming down. Very simple. Nice battle here. Nice little battle. Trapping longs, right? When price is dumping like this and it stops, it's trapping traders. It's making people think, right? It's making retail be like, oh man, it's going to bounce. It's going to bounce. It's going to bounce, right? When price pumps, right? It gives you the emotion. It's pumping and it stays there and it stays there. Then guess what? Boop, it comes down. It's the same on the way down. You have bearish engulfing. You have doji, indecision. Now you have bearish engulfing again. This is continuation. Now, if we come down into here and we go, we can buy it because we know it came into a key level. It's a different reaction, right? So we wait. Look at that. Bearish, 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 bearish. No touchy. Orb is in. Orby1 Kenobi. And we will be going live today trading FOMC. It's going to be a fun one. We've crushed FOMC a couple times. So I'm looking forward to it today. It's going to be a good one. 3-hour stream after this. So we're doing 5 hours today. Well, we're doing like 7 hours of streaming today, but whatever. Who cares? We're here for it. Not one to complain. And just continue to show up, guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Monetization is back. Very grateful. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel, hanging out, all that good stuff. All the lurkers in the background there who haven't said good morning. I'd appreciate a good morning. It's pretty cool. I woke up and the hair was this good this morning, guys. Ada Ace, Jimbo. I got you guys. I got you. See? Lurker. 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 Iona, what's going on? Marlene. Good morning, Marlene. God bless. Lurker. Bob Gnarly, Lurker. 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 Lurker, Lurker. What's going on, Christian? Good to see you. Lurker. Lurker. Lurker, Lurker. Good morning, everybody. Are you in Canmore, Evade? Come and say hi, man. Come and say hi. Let's go play golf. Come to the Discord and go play golf. Lurker, 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 Lurker. We have so many Dans here, guys. So many Dans. Lurker, Lurker. Reggie, I got you, bro. Lurker, 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 Lurker. Say good morning, guys. Don't be weird. I found you now. You guys can't hide anymore. What's going on, Mickey? What's going on, Alp? Good pushback here. NASDAQ trying to push back as well. No trade here. Holding orb. Nice little hammer candle in here. Retest the lows still on the table here for rejection. Choppy waters. SPY's holding up. NASDAQ's holding up. Bitcoin needs to come lower, in my opinion. Nice orb for today. This is going to be funny for the FOMC. I don't think the orb's going to play much of a part today, in my opinion, but you never know. Still waiting here. Good morning, good morning. King Juve, good morning. Thank you for being here. I say good morning, then lurk. That's it, right? If you're just listening, that's cool, man. It's happy to be here. Happy that you are here. Ada Ace, what's my opinion on today? 0.25 cut. Max Payne's at 113. entice buyers initially, then dump it on their heads, and then pump it. I expect them to entice people to buy, then for them to dump it, and then for them to pump it. Everybody's going to get wrecked right here. That's my prediction. And we'll trade it either way. We're going to do a 3-hour stream today, later on this afternoon, and bring it in, hang out with Jerome. We got to tickle him. Remember, if we tickle and pinch his nipples during the live stream, we'll put him up here and we'll get him. We tend to pump the markets, okay? If you know, you know. Gets a little weird on FOMC day. But we like to have some fun, man, because trading is hard enough. You know, you got to be able to have a laugh. We'll get him. We'll get him, man. We'll get him for sure. We're ready for everything. I'm a semi lurker. I mean, it's good to have a semi, especially in the morning. Yeah, the stream will be here on YouTube, man. Absolutely. I don't think we're gonna do the pump.fun streaming, man. I think it's a little bit scammy. I don't know about that yet. I haven't made a decision yet. I don't want to create no stupid token. Everybody's streaming on pump.fun lately, and I'm considering it. I mean, if I was to do it and create my own token, I would buy like 90% of the supply so no one else could rug anybody. It'll be 12 Eastern Standard Time, Brian. The last nipple tickle. What's going on, KGD? Gang, gang, gang. Guys, very choppy this morning, no trade. NASDAQ, back to where it started, range bound. Bitcoin's in its comfort zone, right? This is a good place to be coming back into the FOMC, right? Nice place to be, FOMC, right? If we look at this is where it's comfortable right here, right? If we're just looking at volume, what we can simply see is we're hanging out. What is the point of control? That's where most people are agreeable that buyers or sellers are happy. Okay, that is exactly what this is. This is a market of buyers and sellers. This volume area tells us that this is the most comfortable place where people are happy to press buy and sell. That's where the price is right now. So hanging out in here, cool. Come down here, cool. Bring it on. We're prepared. Either way. I'm trying to get a push here. See, I would like an orb flip, but then we have VWAP in our way. So sketchy. Sketchy right now. Very sketchy area to be taking trades. Nice pushback. Nice pushback for NASDAQ. I do like this on NASDAQ. SPY trying to push back as well and get rid of this trend line. It's messing with my brain. Solana ripping. Guys, Solana's flying. Look at that. ETH flying. Bitcoin trying to go. Okay. Bunch of things pushing right now. So Bitcoin looking to go. No trade for me right now. Still waiting here. Three white soldiers. It's better than 3 yellow raisins, right? I can't help myself sometimes, guys, okay? What did you say about gappage, Billy? Dave Digital teaches me all things digital. Gappage. Noun. Trading term coined by AlexOCrypto. The space in between the value area low and the value area high. Or a scam wick. Oh, man. Love it. Uneven butt cheeks wave. Yep. Bull divs in here. Trying to push out. No trade. No trade. Still waiting. Incredible. Incredible stream. So good to be back. You guys are really cool, man. I'm going to go and say hi to the Discord. I'm going to send you over to Trades by Matt. Go and say hi to Trades by Matt for me. Throw lots of otters in his chat. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here. No trade right now. And we'll see you guys at 12. Bye.